Did Starbucks mess up your order, charge you twice, or just totally ruin your morning? Don't worry, getting your money back is easier than you think. First, open the Starbucks app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in. Next, tap the order icon at the bottom of the screen. This will bring you to your order history. Find the specific order you need a refund for and tap on it. This will open up the order details. Look for a Report a Problem or Customer Support button. It's usually at the bottom of the order details. Tap on that button. If you can't find it, navigate to the General Help section in the app. You'll likely be directed to a chat window or a contact form. Clearly explain the issue and why you're requesting a refund. Be polite and provide all the necessary details, like the order number and the time you placed the order. Submit your request and wait for a response from Starbucks. They usually respond within 24 to 48 hours. Once your refund is approved, you'll see the money back in your account within a few business days. Now, go treat yourself to a correctly made coffee.